Welcome to Epson Fire Safety Solution, where you will learn more about how to reset your panel in case there is a fault alarm. It's like this one indicating there is a fire which was detected by smoke detector, and it was a fault alarm. It detects some dust and then it triggered the panel. So guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe it so that you can learn how to reset your panel in case there is a fault alarm, and you will learn more about the Context Plus. See you on the next video.